Hello friends, welcome to the Cournix. In this video, I am going to take issue of internships. Because of this lockdown and because of this pandemic situation, lot of internships has been cancelled or offers from the industries are not coming. So if you are facing this problem, this video is for you. Hello friends, so this video will be the source for information related to finding the internship in this challenging situation. So recently there are a couple of news all over the newspapers, and you can see here also that the internships are disappearing. Companies have stopped offering the internship to the students. Particularly, this problem is faced by the second year, third year, and final year students. So, in the situation when the plants are closed due to the coronavirus and the manufacturing or the service industry or the related activities are not happening or happening at very minimum level, the internships offered by the companies or the firms has been stopped. So these students are facing a lot of problem. Now, if you are also one of them who is facing this situation, this video is definitely going to help you. Please watch till end. So I am going to give you certain information, tips, which will help you to identify a good internship. So if you look at the recent news by the UGC also, in the current situation, UGC has modified and given the proper guidelines how the companies can offer online internships. So the UGC has said that the companies can give the projects, students can do internships online. Even UGC has given a mandate to the universities and colleges that these internships can be delayed or it can be shortened also. तो ऐसी सिचुएशन में जहां पर यूजीसी भी आई है आगे स्टूडेंट्स की हेल्प के लिए मॉडिफाई किया है रूल्स को, चलिए देखते हैं अगर आपको इंटर्नशिप ढूंढनी है तो कहां से शुरू करें. सो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट, लेट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द बेसिक रोल ऑफ ए इंटर्नशिप. व्हाई इंटर्नशिप इज नेसेसरी? इंटर्नशिप इज बेसिकली एलिमेंट इन एनी कोर्स because it gives you an exposure of an industry. You learn lot of new things while doing the internship. It gives you practical exposure, hands-on learning, and it also builds your skill set. आप बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं जब आप किसी कंपनी में काम करते हैं, चाहे वो कुछ दिनों के लिए ही क्यों न सही. Now this exposure is also beneficial when you face the placements. So all of this is actually very necessary. Sometimes people got confused that instead of the internship, can I do the online course? But friends, these two things are very different. So there will be another video about explaining the pros and cons of doing internship or doing the online course. तो आप दूसरा वीडियो उसको आप देखें. Now, what are the different type of internship which can be done by a candidate? Typically, as I already told you, internships are done at plant or at a site or some office. So while doing these kind of internships, candidate or the student generally visit the plant or spend the time at the offices and learn the tricks of trade. But जैसा कि हम जानते हैं अभी तो पॉसिबल नहीं है इस सिचुएशन में, तो हमें क्या करना है? We have to look to other ways. What are the other ways? So number one is doing the internships online. What are the different types of things you can do online? So that I am going to cover also. And you can also do some DIY projects, do it yourself kind of category projects, and you can alter their design and the other certain parameters, and that can also be counted as an internship if you devote a full time for a challenging problem. Now, when you are doing an online internship, you can do the software simulations, you can do design, you can analyze past data which is available in public domain. You can learn coding, you can apply the coding, or you can do simulations. Even you can experiment or tinker with the boards or the available kits. So these all things are possible while you are doing internship away from the plant and offices. Let's understand that where, if you are still interested, where you can find companies which are offering the internships. So I have actually summarized the various available websites in India which can help you, and they are constantly updating their database, and you can find out an appropriate internship there. So now, starting in this list, as you can see, Internship, for example, you have to go there to their web portal, make your own profile, and after making the profile, do mention the skill set which you know. Okay. So after matching your skill set, definitely you can see a lot of listed internships which can be done online. Now, there are other portals also which are offering the similar kind of facility, but आपको वहाँ जाके प्रोफाइल बनाना है और अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट के अनुसार और according to your needs you have to filter out or search the internships, and then you have to apply also. There will be an apply button, so you have to hit that apply button, and then the companies will review your candidature and they will communicate with you. So almost all these websites are offering the same facility with some here and there difference in their approach. So you should definitely try all these. I am pretty sure that these will definitely yield some results for you, and you will be successful to get some suitable internship. So now, if you still confused that Internship, there are a couple of others which are also good. So other is 2019, LinkedIn, Youth for Work. I will provide a list of all these with their link in the description, so you can go there and hit and check out their web pages. My personal favorite is LinkedIn. So this LinkedIn is a great platform through which you can actually find out, make contacts with the industry experts, reach out to them for possible internships, as well as there is a job section in the LinkedIn platform that can also help you to provide a internship. So हम एक अलग वीडियो है LinkedIn के बारे में, जिसको आप वॉच करिए, देखिए, तो आपको पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी how to use that platform and how it can benefit you. Now coming back to the topic, so virtual internships are being provided by a number of companies, which includes like TCS, Ion, Amazon, Goldman Sachs, even your Ola, Drake 11. So there are a lot of companies which are offering these virtual internships. Now virtual internships for the computer related job is in good amount. I think there will be no problem at all for the students who are from this kind of domain, from computer science or the related branches or the specializations. आपको बहुत सारी internship मिलेगी. Real problem is with the internships which require your presence to the plant site and or office. For that, I think you should go for the things which I already explained, that you can alter some DIY kit, you can do some simulations of industrial data, even you can contact with the professors in some leading research institutions or universities. They can also give you some work which you can do remotely in the comfort at your home, and that can also be considered as an internship. But before venture into such kind of things, please do take the permission from your university college. Okay, and it will definitely going to help you, and I'm sure, because it has been in practice since last couple of years, that research internships are also very good, so you can also try it. Now there are a couple of points which also very relevant in terms of these internships, like whether you should go for a paid internship or you should go for the internship without, which is not giving any stipend or some money. I think this should not be a criteria at all. If internship is good, you are learning something there, that should be the criteria. Money should not be the criteria at all. So if somebody claims that I have did a paid internship, doesn't mean it is good. Okay, so paid and non-paid, this should not be the selection criteria for a good internship. The criteria is what kind of work you are going to do, what kind of skill set you are going to get, and what kind of exposure you are going to have. So please select as per that requirement. And when you got an internship offer, please do check about the company, because anything can happen in this world. So do check the credibility of the company and the term and conditions. You can also see the reviews in Glassdoor, that is another website, Quora, that is another website, or even you can visit the official page of companies on LinkedIn to get the information, to get an idea whether you should join or not. Apart from the work criteria and the location and the other things which you yourself can decide. Thank you very much. If you still have any doubt, please do write in the comment.